right, y'all. Welcome back to another Dope Life Podcast tip. And today we're going to be diving into meditation. And trust me, y'all, you don't want to miss this. Did you know that meditation can reduce your stress levels by a whopping 40% in just a few weeks? Yes, you heard that right. So stick around to learn more about how to meditate, even just for beginners. Let's kick things off by understanding what meditation is all about and why it's so crucial in any journey that we're on. Meditation isn't just about sitting with your legs crossed and chanting. It's a powerful tool that significantly enhances your mental well-being, helping you find an inner peace and clarity in a fast-paced world. As we begin our journey in the realm of meditation, let's address some common challenges that beginners often face. From dealing with a busy mind that just won't quiet down to struggling to find the time to practice, we've all been there. But fear not, because I've got some tips to help you navigate through these obstacles. Now let's explore different meditation techniques that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're interested in mindfulness meditation, where you focus on the present moment, or guided visualization, where you imagine peaceful scenes, there's a technique out there that will resonate with you. It's all about finding what works best for you and your unique journey. Now here comes the key moment, the climax of your meditation journey. Let's shine a spotlight on an incredible transformation that meditation can bring to beginners. Not only does it help reduce anxiety and stress, but it also enhances your focus and clarity, allowing you to tackle challenges with renewed sense of calm and confidence. Trust me, y'all, the benefits are truly life-changing. Now, as we wrap up our meditation session, let's summarize the key takeaways. Consistency is key when it comes to meditation. By making it a regular part of your routine, you'll reap a long-term benefit that comes with dedication and practice. Remember, Rome was not built in a day, and neither are the profound effects of meditation. And last but not least, I want to hear from you. Share your meditation experience in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more meditation tips and techniques. Together, let's cultivate a community of peace and mindfulness. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.